Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys yesterday replays when we were live. We did win yesterday. We started with 500 rand and then yeah, we did go with a profit. It was a nice season. I hope you have watched it, and let me just take you through what happens yesterday when we were live. Let me just take you through there. So this is what happened. I think here we got a 50 something X. It was a good one. It paid. Yes, it paid 54x. So I'm gonna show you another one. So we also got this one here. It was 318. This game is, we were playing on Lucky Lightning here. So let's see how much we got on Lucky Lightning on this. It was how many? I didn't check. Let me check. I will check also the X. How many X did you get? But I think it was more than. This is what happens, guys. We bought bonuses. Yeah, after buying a bonus, we bought a bonus. After buying a bonus, this is what happened. We were awarded 10 free games. Then same time, you can see it gave us the lightning there. So now there is another one that I want you guys to see it when we get the silver. That was also one nice one. Yeah, I think this is the one when we get the silver. Look at those 30 rand, guys, and oh yes, I think, I'm not sure if it's going to be the one who get refresh spin, but it must connect the coins. The coins must be in the same as, yes, that's when we got a very nice win there. I was so happy yesterday that we did have a very good live show. Yesterday we did have a very good live show. Then after that we did get a silver. I remember a silver. Maybe we're gonna see that one. Yes, I think it's coming for the silver. Yes, let's watch it. Okay, yes, this is the one that we got the silver. But by the silver it paid off 75 rand, which was good. I was expecting more though. Yes, that's what, like this old man. I think I will go back to this game, guys. What do you think? This is the one, guys. Yeah, this is the one. So accumulatively, okay, he's still going. Then now it wouldn't connect, guys, and we managed to make a profit of 168 because we bought this at 150 max. So we managed to make the profit of 168 rand point something. So let me check another replay here. This one, it was not too much, it was 30x, but we were not in the bonus. Okay, let's just play it so that you guys, you can see what happens when we were live yesterday. Okay, we got modalas here. I'm just gonna replay it again. Let me rewatch it. We got modalas, and when we got this modala, it paid us 40 something. Yes, yeah. He paid at 45 rand on with this modala. So they were not really many, but they were many. But what happens if we can, what will happen if we can like, let's say we can get full screen of modala? That's what I want to also see in the next proceeding games when I play. All right, guys. So we also played Heart of Rio, guys. In Heart of Rio, we started, it was very good game, as you can see here in the screen, that we were having good X's. And then let me just start with this one for 49x, whereby we got 110. I just want you guys to see what happens in this live show. When we were in live show yesterday, how did we make a profit? I think you can also try this game called Heart of Rio. It was a nice game yesterday. So I did really love the game. Okay, it's gonna pop up. Let's wait for it. Okay, we bought a bonus here, guys. We bought a bonus. When we bought a bonus, this is, let's see what happens. Then the bonus, like, it was so nice, guys. You get 8 free spins. I didn't really know, it was my first time playing this game. I like that thing. Look, I wish we have gotten a lot of coins there. Extra collect plus 6 rand there, it accumulated to 9 rand. It was moving so well. We are on 40 rand right now. Oh wait, this one, yeah, it doubled some. So that's how it managed to make us, yeah, this thing, it happens then after something happens as if a spin there. So I'm still trying to find out that what exactly, which symbol were we supposed to get there, the collect. I didn't know if we were supposed to get the collect, but this is what happened. So let's go to the next replay again. So the next replay, I'm gonna pick the one we won a lot. Let's do this one for 200 rand. We won 45x, and we were playing with a, we changed our bet because the game was good. Then we started playing with a 450. So let's see what happened when we played this yesterday. Okay, still the same, we bought, it's like we got the bonus, not when this game is, you don't buy a bonus guys, we just spin into the bonus. Let's see what happened in this bonus. So we still got awarded 8 free spins. Let's see how we got that 200 rand. Okay, this one added I think 9 rand. Then we managed to make 70 something. It's 72 rand. Okay. That's how, oh yes, it also gave us this, like, I really want to play, go back to this game and see if I can get something that can award maybe that 147, or we could have won it if we have a, I'm thinking of if we have a collector there. So guys, this is what happened, this is what exactly happened to this game. So we did play also some other games like Sweet Bonanza. Sweet Bonanza, I'm not sure, I think with Sweet Bonanza we did make a profit. Let's just go straight to it. So with Sweet Bonanza, I'm just gonna show you one, guys. I'm gonna show you this one. We won 185 rand. I think we bought a bonus here. After buying the bonus, cyclist, we returned back our money. In Sweet Bonanza, we didn't really lose anything. It was just a break even. So that's what happened in Sweet Bonanza. So I just want you guys to see. So up today, I'm just only gonna see you 3 games that we played, but we played a lot of games yesterday, guys. This is the most nice games that when we played them, I was enjoying them. So let's see what happens here. in Sweet Bonanza. We bought this bonus with 120 rand. It did pay. I was not really, it was a break even though, but this bonus did did a good thing. I was not really expecting that at all. I was not really expecting that. I was not really, okay, let's see what happens. And then, okay, I think so many X's or so many mat players. Yeah, it was a nice one for mat players. We got 142. It was sensational based on our bet. I think this game you need to play with a lot of money, guys. I was so happy that at least yesterday we didn't go with a 0 cent, guys, because sometimes, you know, when we live we don't make profit. It's really boring. Okay, all right, guys, this is exactly what happens when we were live yesterday. So that's what happens. So guys, I will catch you later today with another C section if we're gonna make it. I'm not sure today if I'm gonna be live, but I will let you know. And then thank you guys for watching, and kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you guys, have a good day, bye.